drives us is not incentives, is not the fruit at all. What drives us is an initiative to work. We are inspired to work. There's a motivation within, there's a fire within to serve this cause. How much, see, when we said an action, as you rightly said, when the action is fruit incented, with an incentive in mind or the fruit in mind, and then the fruit doesn't come, action stops. Isn't it? But if there is no fruit at all and action is still going on, satisfaction comes, but what drives you is the goal. Whenever we use the word goal, it has to be unselfish. Whenever we use the word desire or fruit, it is always self-centered. So when they say renounce the fruit of action, means renounce the selfishness in the action. Whenever they use the word goal, goal always has an unselfish connotation. But whenever they use the word desire or renounce the fruit of action, it means a selfish motive. And when you perform actions having renounced the fruit with a clear purpose, a clear goal, then actions are they have a drive. I don't need any incentive to come and talk to you all. I don't need. It is the very work itself is so satisfying. It is so rewarding. There can't be any greater reward than the very action itself. There is no greater satisfaction than the action itself. However, it would be very much that every action has a fruit. And all through our lives, we have always realized it's a divine intervention.